Hello children, hi, this is Farheen Miss. Today we are going to start English 5th lesson of Unit 1, that is 1.5, language study, naming words. Children, everything around us has a name. So today in this lesson we are going to learn about naming words. What are naming words? Naming words or nouns are simply names of anything. Naming words identifies the name of person, place, animal and thing. Here there are some example of name of a persons: man, woman, boy, girl, king, queen, grandfather, grandmother, doctor, gardener, carpenter, washerman. Apart from these, names like Rahul, Neeta, Priya are specific name of a person. So it also called as naming words. Name of place: zoo, school, hospital, church, Mumbai, supermarket, park, house, museum. Now names of place like Mumbai, Delhi are specific name of place, are also called as naming words or nouns. Name of animal: zebra, peacock, tiger, tortoise, fish, dog, rat, cat, eagle, lion, and all kind of birds, sea animal, reptiles like crocodile, lizard, animals that crawl also comes under animal. Name of thing: chair, car, t-shirt, candle, cap, books, apple, cucumber, rose, tree, candy, pizza. Apart from these, fruits, vegetables, flowers and eatable items like chocolate, pizza, burger, etc. comes under thing. Now come to page number 9 of your English Balbharati textbook. 1.5 Language Study, Naming Words. Now we are going to read this. Listen carefully and answer the following questions. So children, you have to solve this in your rough notebook. All the answers will be the naming words. What is your name? Are you a boy or a girl? Who all are there in your family? Which places do you like to visit? Which is your favorite animal? What do you like to eat? What is your favorite toy? Do you write with a pen or a pencil? All the answers are naming words. Naming words are simply names of anything. For example, I have solved these questions. Answer the following questions. What is your name? My name is Priya. Are you a boy or a girl? I am a girl. Who all are there in your family? There are 4 members in my family: mother, father, brother and I. Which places do you like to visit? I like to visit Panchgani, Juhu Beach and Goa. Children, in this, if you are a boy, you will write I am a boy. Those words that are in red colored are naming words, or you can say nouns. Which is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is cat. What do you like to eat? I like to eat pizza, ice cream and chocolates. What is your favorite toy? My favorite toy is doll. Do you write with a pen or a pencil? I write with pencil. Come to page number 11 of your English Balbharati textbook. We are going to read this passage. Read the following passage carefully. Underline the names of people, places, things, fruits, etc. Today is Raju's birthday. He is getting ready for the school. His mother gives him a mango plant in a pot. All his friends wish Raju in the school. They sing happy birthday with their teacher. Then the teacher takes them to the backyard and plants the mango plant there. Everyone claps for him. Now in this picture, this one is Raju. What he is doing is planting a mango plant that his mother gives him in a pot. So all his friends wish Raju in the school. They sing happy birthday with their teacher. Can you see? Teacher is carrying mango plant in her hand. Then the teacher takes them to the backside of the school and plants the mango plant there. Everyone claps for him. So children, those words underlined in red color are name of people, place, things, fruits, etc. Down, I have categorized those words in 3 parts: people, places, things. So in people, what will come? Raju, name of a person. Mother, teacher, friends. Places, backyard, school. Things, pot, mango plant. Mango is fruit which will come under thing. Place the words given in the box in the proper column. Now here there is a word box. You can see words are placed according to its name, place, animal and thing. Now in name, Amit, Raju, Neeta, Meena. These are the name of person. Place, Agra, Chennai, Pune, Goa. Animal, monkey, cat, rabbit, mouse. Thing, ball, kite, bat, rope. So all these words are categorized into 4 different parts. Specific names of a person and place are always capital. So you can see first letter of Amit, A is capital. Raju, R is capital. Neeta, N is capital. Meena, again M, capital. In place, Agra is the name of a place, specific name. A is capital. C is also capital. Pune, P is capital. Goa, G is capital. So only specific name of a person and place will come. We will write capital. So children, I hope you understand my explanation. Thank you for watching. If you like my explanatory videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Farheen Miss. Comment below your views and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.